Okay, here's the tanks. See the tanks? See all this stuff? I should have cleaned my window. Better get out of here. My heart's going pretty fast. Because they were on me last time I was here. And this property right here, this one coming up, these are the ones connected with my next door neighbors. Because I recognize that fucking truck. Right? Blue, get out of the fucking way! Get back there! Get! I gotta get out of here. God damn it, move! That truck right there. That truck right there. No license plate on the back. No license plate on the back. On either one of them. Fuckers. There's the connection. That's the connection. Alright. Okay.